Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on the NSFW content on your Reddit application. Now, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Here we have the Reddit application. Now, if you go to the top right corner and you open up the settings right here, there's nothing you can see about NSFW content, any hidden content, any explicit content. Now we need to exit out of the Reddit application. Want to scroll down and go into the settings. Now, from out settings, what you want to do, you want to scroll down again, and from out here you want to open up Reddit. So simply search Reddit, as you can see right here. And from out here, what we want to do, we want to scroll down, and here we have the Reddit settings. Now, here there are two options: blur NSFW images and show NSFW content. Now, if you pull this lever and make it green, it will be showing explicit content. Now, if you want to blur the images beforehand, you can easily turn this function on and off. And from out here, these settings will be saved and you can see explicit content on your Reddit application. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.